What's up, everybody? It's your boy, your name, back with another video. Today we're not giving away any money, but we're going to talk about how to make it. And I'm talking about the big bucks. Ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? I know I have. We're diving into the top 10 businesses that just might make you an instant millionaire. That's right, from online stores to flipping houses, we're covering it all. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started.
First up, we've got the world of e-commerce, selling stuff online. These days, everyone's shopping online, and it's only getting bigger. Imagine building your own online store and selling products like crazy. You could be making money while you sleep. And the best part is, with drop shipping, you don't even need to handle the products yourself. Next up, we're talking real estate, baby. Investing in property has always been a path to wealth, and it's still going strong. Imagine buying a rundown house, fixing it up and selling it for a massive profit. That's the power of flipping houses. Now let's talk about the stock market. It might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's a gold mine waiting to be explored. By investing in the right companies, you can watch your money grow faster than ever. Just remember to do your research and invest wisely. The tech industry is booming right now, and there's never been a better time to launch a tech startup. Think about it. All the biggest companies in the world started with a simple idea. If you've got a game-changing app or software, you could be the next tech billionaire. Franchising might seem like a boring option, but it's actually a proven path to success. You're basically buying into a pre-built business model like McDonald's or KFC. It's less risky than starting from scratch and can generate massive profits. In today's digital age, every business needs online marketing. That's where you come in. If you can master the art of SEO, social media, and paid advertising, you'll be raking in the dough. Businesses are desperate for talented marketers, so the earning potential is huge. The world is going green, and renewable energy is the future. Investing in solar, wind, or other sustainable energy solutions is not only good for the planet, but also for your wallet. As the demand for clean energy skyrockets, so will your profits. People are more health conscious than ever, which means the health and wellness industry is booming. Whether you're opening a gym, starting a healthy food business, or selling fitness products, there's a ton of money to be made. Think about all the apps you use every day. Someone created those and now they're probably rolling in cash. If you've got a killer app idea, it could be your ticket to riches. Just look at the success of games like Angry Birds or Candy Crush. Last but not least, we've got content creation. YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok. These platforms have turned ordinary people into millionaires. If you're passionate about something and love creating content, you can build a massive following and monetize your audience. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible business opportunities that could make you an instant millionaire. Remember, success takes hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, but with the right mindset and a whole lot of hustle, anything is possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.